Hello and welcome to our very first episode of TeamXplosive TV. My name is Johannes. And let's get right into our workout. We're going to start off with set number 1, TRX supported chest presses. 3 sets, max repetitions. Due to the unstable nature of the TRX, our lats and serratus anterior, your back and the muscles on the side of your ribs need to work together to prevent any shoulder injury. And in between sets, we're going to keep the core alive with some walking kettlebell suitcase carries. I want you to walk tall and proud. We will follow this up with some triceps to supplement our upper body push muscles. 3 to 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps. Vertical pulls are up next on the list. Start each rep at a dead hang and pull the handles to your chest. Keep the spine long and the body tight. Tight is light. Check out the leg assisted TRX vertical pull demonstrated by Jeremy. As we progress and get stronger, we depend on the legs less and less. Next up, as our elbow flexion exercise, we choose TRX curls. 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. I have to say I love the versatility of the TRX. No dumbbells, no problem, and your core also gets to work every single time. We're not done yet. We're going to finish strong with an abs and core circuit. 3 to 4 rounds, 30 seconds of work, 15 seconds of rest. We're starting off with the TRX mountain climber. Second exercise on the list in our abs circuit are going to be TRX knee tucks. Keep the hips level to the shoulders. Okay, try not to bounce. Keep it nice and tight. You got this. These are not easy and they're not meant to be done fast. So take your time and focus on quality here. Last but not least, we have the TRX pikes to complete our abs circuit. Now these are tough and you're really going to need to focus here. Okay? Pike the hips up and return to plank in a controlled manner. The key is to maintain a neutral spine throughout the exercise. After this, we're going to take a 1-minute break to reset, and then we're going to repeat this whole circuit 3 to 4 times total. It's about week 11 into quarantine, but who's really counting? Despite what's happening around the world, we've been blessed with good weather, and if you've been too, you should get out more. Just make sure to do it in a safe manner. Thank you for tuning in. Let's all continue to stay safe, healthy, and strong.